In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Smartsheet. We'll start right from the Smartsheet homepage. Once you're signed in and you're on the home screen, look towards the top or left side of the page for the Create button. This is where you begin anything new in Smartsheet, like sheets, reports, or dashboards. Go ahead and click Create. When the Create menu opens, you'll see a few options. Instead of starting from a blank sheet, we're going to use a ready-made template so the structure and formulas are already set up for you. In the menu, look for the option to browse templates, then click on View All Templates. This will open the full template gallery. At the top of the template gallery, there's a search bar. Click into that search field and type the word Budget. Smartsheet will filter the gallery and show you all the templates related to budgets and financial tracking. From the results, find the template called Personal Budget Management. This template is perfect for tracking income, expenses, and seeing how they line up across the year. Click on Personal Budget Management to open its details. You'll see a description of the template and a preview of what it looks like. To use it in your own account, click on Create from Template. Smartsheet will then ask you to confirm the name and location for your new sheet or workspace. Once that's done, click Done to finish creating it. Smartsheet will open up the new budget workspace for you automatically. Inside this workspace, you'll see several related items that work together. First, click on the item named Budget Setup. This is where you adjust the basic settings for your budget, like categories and starting assumptions. Take a moment to scan through the columns and get familiar with what's already built for you. Next, look in the same workspace for a sheet called Expenses by Category and click on it. This is where you'll actually log your expenses. Each row represents an expense, and you can fill in details like date, category, amount, and any notes you want to keep. As you enter expenses here, the formulas and reports in the template will update automatically. Finally, open the item called Annual Budget Overview. Click on that, and you'll see a higher-level summary of your income, expenses, and how you're tracking against your budget over the year. This view is especially helpful for spotting trends and making adjustments as you go. And that's the full setup. You've created a Smartsheet budget from a template, configured the setup, and opened the key sheets you'll use to track your expenses and review your overall budget.